Moo!
Wilbur starts a giggling, then he starts to laugh, then he starts a wiggling. He's such a funny cat.
Moo!
When he starts to wiggle, when he starts to giggle, you know it must be time to read a book.
Woohoo!
'Cause books are moveless. Read a book. 'Cause books are adventurous. Read a book. Come on, everybody, let's all have fun with Wilbur. Dasha is a happy duck. She loves to laugh and fly. Cock-a-doodle-doo, it's Ray. You know that he's not shy. Little Libby giggles when Wilbur wiggles. These barnyard friends just love to read a book.
Books are moveless.
Read a book. 'Cause books are adventurous. Read a book. Come on, everybody, let's all have fun with Wilbur.
Rain dance. Hi. Do you ever just sit and watch the rain?
Yeah!
Me too. I love the rain.
Hey, Wilbur. Aww, it's still raining outside.
It's pouring. I think it's gonna rain all day.
All day? Yuck.
Quack, quack, quack. Great weather for ducks.
What?
Ducks love the rain.
But I'm not a duck. I'm a rooster. I need to strut and scratch around outside in dry dirt, not wet puddles.
Cheer up, Ray. Look at it my way.
What do you mean? Wilbur?
See? There's lots of fun things to do inside.
Like what?
Like turn upside down. Or hula hoop.
Mm-hmm.
Or play dress up. Or make music. Or you could take a nap like Libby.
Oh.
Or play a board game.
I don't want to play a board game. I'm bored enough. Bored, get it? I want it to stop raining so I can go outside.
Wilbur, you're wiggling.
Sure am. Moo, moo, moo. What should we do?
Moo, moo, moo. Read a book with you.
Let's move!
Come on, get up and move it. Come on, get up and shake it. Move it and shake it. Let's find a book. Come on, get up and move it. Come on, get up and shake it. Move it and shake it. Let's find a book. Wiggle, giggle, cock-a-doodle-doo. We're gonna read some books with you. With a bob and a quack and a wiggle in your shoe. Wilbur's books are fun for you.
Come on, everybody, and
Move it. Come on, everybody, and shake it. Move it and shake it. Let's read a book. Read a book. We love books. Move.
Moo!
What's the book called, Wilbur?
It's called Rain Dance. Woohoo! I feel like dancing already.
Me too.
Rain dance? No! That's no help.
It says a cowboy wants to make it rain, so he tries to change the weather.
But Wilbur, I want the rain to stop. How's a book about making rain going to help?
I don't know. Let's find out. We're ready to read. How about you?
Moo, moo, moo. We're ready to read too.
Once upon a time, in the wild, wild west, Cowboy Clay liked making mud pies the best, best, best.
Time to make another award-winning mud pie.
But the river was empty. The well had run dry. And to make matters worse, there were no clouds in the sky.
I can't make a mud pie without mud. I need rain. How am I going to get it to rain?
I think I have an idea.
His friends said a rain dance might do the trick. So the cowboy tried dancing with a jump and a kick.
Yahoo! Just like this?
That's it. Hey, watch me.
That's a good step. Let me try.
He danced with such joy that the townsfolk joined in. They kicked up their heels and made quite a din.
Yahoo!
They danced to the left, and they danced to the right. They danced all day, and they danced all night. The weather didn't change, but the cowboy danced on in the sun.
I like to make my mud pies,
He said.
but dancing's just as much fun.
So whatever the weather, the cowboy knew there was always something fun to do. The end.
I'm getting a fantastic idea. The cowboy in the story tried to make it rain with a rain dance. What if I try to make it sunny with a sun dance? Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me.
Come on, let's sing along.
It's raining, it's pouring, it's early in the morning. Let it rain, there's so much we are doing.
When it's raining, I like to have a nap. I like to play inside. I like to splash in the puddles.
Rain, you're here to stay. There's still so many games to play. We can color, play, dress up, or we can play with clay. It's raining, it's pouring, it's early in the morning. Let it rain, there's so much we are doing.
When it's raining outside, I like to play with my toys. When it's raining, my sister reads me books. When it's raining, I like to dance with my umbrella.
Rain, you're here to stay. So many games we like to play, like hide and go seek or read Little Bo Peep. It's raining, it's pouring, it's early in the morning. Let it rain, there's so much we are doing.
What? Oh no, it's still raining. Ugh. It isn't working. The sun dance isn't making the weather change.
Maybe the book wasn't really about changing the weather by dancing.
Of course it was. Right, Wilbur?
Moo, moo, moo. Should we take another look?
We'll help, Wilbur. Open up the book. Once upon a time, Cowboy Clay loved to make mud pies.
Time to make another award-winning mud pie.
But there was no rain. There were no clouds in the sky at all. It was really sunny. The cowboy wanted to make it rain so he could make mud pies.
I can't make a mud pie without mud. I need rain. How am I going to get it to rain?
His friend had an idea. She said a rain dance might make it rain. So he started dancing.
Yahoo! Just like this?
That's it. It looked like fun, so all the other cowboys started dancing too. They danced all day, and they danced all night. At the end, the cowboy couldn't change the weather after all. He couldn't make it rain, but he didn't even mind. Because he realized that he could do something else that was fun. He could dance with his friends, and it was just as fun as making mud pies.
I like to make my mud pies, but dancing's just as much fun.
The end.
Aha! The rain dance didn't change the weather.
But the cowboy was happy.
Because he was having so much fun dancing.
He didn't want to stop.
The cowboy just found another way to have fun.
Do you get it now, Ray?
Oh, I get it. Do the bump. Oh, yeah. Do the bump. Come on. It's fun.
Hey, Ray, do you still want it to stop raining?
Who cares? Let it rain! I'm having too much fun! Woohoo! Everyone do the monkey rooster!
Hey, we're dancing just like the cowboys in the book.
That's why I always say, books are marvelous!
Now we open up a book and we gather around to read a book. We read a little story that Wilbur has found. We read a book. Now we're laughing and reading and having fun. We read a book. We keep on reading till the story is done. We read a book. Let's read a book. Come have